Making money as a student is simple, not easy. Picture this. You're in class, the teacher's droning on about something you could Google in 5 seconds.
Who was the third president to rule America? Who was it?
When you realize you can make money instead of just taking notes. Now, most advice out there is like telling you to sell lemonade at the end of your street. Sure, you might make a few bucks, but who's got time for that? Stick around, and I'll share 3 easy ways you can start making money. Stick around. You get it? Like, stick around. Like I'm literally a stick. First up, freelancing. If you have a skill like writing, graphic design, or social media management, you can make money online. Just think of it as working from home. But really, you're in your pajamas. Websites like Upwork or Fiverr are great platforms. You can start small. Maybe even help someone create their first social media post. It's like being a superhero. But your superpower is making boring content interesting. You know, like turning plain toast into avocado toast. How about tutoring? You know that subject you're acing? There's someone out there who needs help with it. Just make sure your student doesn't ask you about the train's speed. Also, be prepared for the classic, why do we even need to know this? Just hit them with the, because you might become a time traveler one day line. They'll either laugh or think you're a genius. And if they're struggling with math, don't worry. Just tell them it's like solving a mystery. You can tutor in subjects you love, like math, science, or even a language. Use platforms like Chegg or tutor.com to get started. Last but not the least, YouTube automation. This is the internet goldmine. If you want to know more about this, click on the video shown on this screen. So, to make money as a student, think outside the box. Freelance your skills, tutor, each of these can fit right into your busy schedule. And hey, if you find even one of these tips useful, hit that subscribe button. It's like giving me a tip without needing cash. Remember, making money as a student is simple. With the right mindset and a little creativity, you can start earning while still enjoying your college life.